that handsome boy. Tomorrow we're gonna be headed to my mother's house. And do a little removals and stuff. Me and the boys. We'll head out there tomorrow on this great Sunday. But you'll Well, YouTube, it's been a little while since I've been to Mama Dukes' house, and it's a mess. So today we're gonna trim up all of her bushes here and down along the side there, and we're gonna remove this fine pine tree. Probably gonna get rid of that thing too. We can get rid of both of them. Why not? Look at that beautiful bougainvillea back there. Thing's sweet, right? How it climbs up the pine. I'm gonna trim all these up too. Trim all the bushes along the side of the house. We're gonna rip out a bunch of shit back there. And yeah, trim up our palm trees. Get her looking right again. So, hope you all enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you to the people that subscribe and like and share my videos. I much appreciate it. And yeah, let's get to work. YouTube, Mom.
Hi, how are you?
Alright, enough clowning around, YouTube. Let's get to work. So we got the boys trimming. Me and Nate started taking down the one tree. We got her down. I'm gonna get the MS 462 out. So I don't want to take those limbs off there and drop it on all those bushes over there. So I'm gonna do a pie cut. I'm gonna fall it that way. go. All finished up. Both trees. See you later. Bunch of little stumps and stuff that we had around the property we got rid of too. She had some sable palm there. She had a areca cluster up there. Trimmed all the bushes in the front. She had a bunch of stumps in there and all down here. That was all woods and stuff. Bunch of bushes. I'll probably come back in the next couple months and I'll continue these eureka palms for her, close her up and give her some privacy. But all the stuff that was here was just growing over the years, invasive species and all types of stuff, so we got them out of there. Same thing with the back. And we trimmed up the front. It's pretty much what we did today. And then eventually we'll come back and we'll get rid of all these bushes here and all the shrubbery in there. Leave the little palms. Get rid of all this mess besides the bougainvillea. Get rid of all that and do the same thing. Put arecas down the side so nobody can see through and she could have the privacy. And then we're out here back to the front. Hope Mom loves it. So yeah, there you go. There you go. We got it all taken care of for Mama Dukes here. And you know, if you need any trees removed, trimmed, stump grinding, complete removals, landscape design, or pest control, give us a call today. 954-857-4571. Thank you and have a nice day.